Good morning. This is a video for the OXO, the grinder. We're going to experiment and figure out why it's always making this. So this is me trying to clean it out. I'm just banging it, and the grinds seem to infinitely come out now underneath there. Early on there was an issue where for some reason this part right here wouldn't kind of click in. This part right under here wasn't catching this for some reason, unless I would bang it on the back here. I'd have to bang it a lot, or just one big bang would actually do it. But consequently, when you do that, grinds come out as well. This is my little coffee setup. I've got my scale. I've got my OXO gooseneck. So that's all the stuff. So as you can see, it's been cleaned. I do kind of clean it out, brush it out a little bit, try and get up in there with either a Q-tip or a pipe cleaner. And this is the material stuff. All right, so let's put this back together. I'm gonna do this all in one cut. And you can see if I'm making any mistakes that would lead to all these grinds. Actually, let's do this. So I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna put this on. Oops. Get that little snap. And then we'll see here. That's in, and then we're going to lock it in. Okay. And we're going to set it to coarseness level 12. This right here has been measured. Let's measure it again for camera. Okay. Okay, so let's just switch this. All right, 33 grams. Going in here. Let's also turn our water on. We also like to heat up our French press. Some warm water. Alrighty, got the beans in. Stick that over here. Just make sure it's clicked in. I'm gonna switch hands here. There it is. Move these out of the way. So it's clicked in. Let's got a number 12. Also, this is not an oily roast, so that it doesn't rot inside there. We're gonna zero out our scale. And let's pour this in. So it ate 1 gram. Let me show you what I like to do to try and find that 1 gram. Push that in there. So that can sometimes find 1 more gram. But as you can see maybe on video, you can see the grinds coming out the bottom. Okay. So now we're around 33. So maybe the machine ate some and it came out the bottom, and then I got some as well. But for some reason, this has grinds that are coming out of the bottom, and if I really want to bang it a lot, I can knock this much grinds out. But every single time I'm banging it, a little bit of grinds is coming out, and I trust OXO on their good UX design work in the physical world. That's the world I work in digital space, as well as a software engineer. So I care about design. That's why I like the OXO. But this is bad. There shouldn't be a scenario where this could happen, and it's unfortunate. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Let's see if that's... At least that thing is clicking in now, so I don't know if it was warped or something like that, but it's clicking in now. All right. See ya.